Find the value of root 45 minus root 5 all squared. So here then, let's have a look at this. So here, so it's root 45 minus root 5 squared. So it's root 45 times the same thing, root 45 minus root 5. Let's expand this bracket then. First term, root 45 times itself, just undoes the root to leave 45. Then we've got root 45 times root 5 with a minus. Then the next term is a minus another root 5 times root 45. Then the last term is a minus times a minus is a plus. Root 5 times root 5 is just 5, isn't it? So we end up with 50. 45 plus 5 is 50, minus, and this is 45 times, you can times these together because they're both square roots. So 45 times 5 is 225, 225. So it's two lots of them because they're the same. 225. The square root of 225 is 15, so it's 50 minus two lots of 15, isn't it? 50 minus 30 then is 20. So express this is recurring as a fraction. So let x equal 0.47878 and so on. Then okay, so let's just do 10x. So 10 lots of this then will equal 4 points, move the decimal point, and now we've got the repeating factor, haven't we? 7, 8, dot, dot, dot. This is number 2. Now we've got 4 point. If we move the point over to here, 478, so times this by 100. So 100 of these, which is 1000 x, will equal 100 of these, and that moves the decimal point over twice. 478.7878. Okay, so now we've got something we can take away from each other and just leave a number on this side. 1000x, so 3 minus 2, that gives, on the left, 1000x take away 10 is 990x, and on the right we've got 478.7878 recurring minus 4.7878 recurring. So that will be just 478 take 4 is 474. So that tells us what x is. X is equal to 474 over 990. And they're both even, so let's divide by 2. 235, 237 over 495, 495. If we want to simplify the fraction, or we could leave it as 474 over 990 if we wish, because it doesn't tell us to simplify.